Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to lock and hide any folder on Windows 11 using a simple and secure method that keeps all your personal files completely private. Whether you want to protect sensitive documents, personal photos, or important work files, this tutorial will help you set up a hidden, password protected folder without installing any third-party apps. And yes, it works perfectly in 2025. I'll walk you through each step clearly, so even if you are new to Windows settings, you can follow along easily. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid missing an important step, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tech tips and security tricks. Alright, let's get started. First, navigate to the location where you want to create your secure folder. Right click, choose new folder and name it anything you like. Now, move all the files you want to protect into this folder. Inside that folder, right-click again and create a new text document. Copy the code from the description and paste it into the new text document. In the code, you will see a password section. Remove the placeholder password and type your own secure password. Next, click File and Save As. In the file name box, type lockedfolder.bat. Then change the Save As type dropdown to All Files and Save. Now double click the newly created bat file. You will see a new folder named Private. Place any files you want to secure inside this private folder. Once your files are inside, double click the BAT file again. It will ask, "Are you sure you want to lock this folder?" Press Y and hit enter. The folder will instantly disappear. Even if you enable hidden items, it will not show up. To unlock it again, simply double-click the BAT file, enter your password and press enter. Your private folder will appear immediately. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more useful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.